Welcome students, welcome in our e-learning classes of Bardon Model School. Student of class 6, today I will solve exercise 6.1, the chapter integer, question number 1 and 2. The first question, that statement is question statement, write the opposite of the following. Write opposite of the following. We have to write the opposite statement of the following statement which are given. First of all, it is given that is A, increase of weight. Increase of weight. What will be the opposite statement of increase of weight? That is decrease of weight. Opposite of increase, that is decrease. By these statements, one thing we have to learn, that if I take increase with plus sign, then decrease will be in minus sign. Okay. If I take increase in positive sign, decrease will be in negative sign. Okay. Next statement, that is B, 30 kilometer to north. 30 kilometer to north. Opposite, what will be the opposite? That is 30 kilometer to south. It means from here 30 kilometer to north in this direction, that is north, south, west and east. And what will be the opposite statement? That is 30 kilometer to the south. 30 kilometer to south in this direction. And if I take this is positive sign, this will be negative sign. Okay. Next, you can interchange it. If you want to take that is 30 kilometer south in positive sign, the opposite 30 kilometer north, that will be negative sign. That is your wish. Okay. So if you take one statement is positive, then another statement must be negative. Okay. Now question number C, part C, not question number C, part C, 326 BC. BC means before Christ. And what will be the opposite statement of this? That is 326 AD. Okay, 326 AD. Now moving on, part D. Moving on, part D. That is D, loss of rupees 700. Loss of rupees 700. Now one term is used here, that is loss. What is the term loss? Now think about, you have bought a pen with 15 rupees. Okay, that is shopkeeper. A shopkeeper have bought a pen in 50 rupees, or bought a pen 50 rupees, and he sell that pen with 10 rupees. Sell that pen with 10 rupees. Now he bought by giving 15 rupees, and now he was selling that, he has sold that in rupees 10. It means that 15 minus 5, rupees 5, that is the loss. Okay, loss means if it is the cost price and selling price. Okay, selling price, if selling price less than cost price, then the statement loss is appear still. Now so loss of rupees 700 means opposite statement, that is profit of rupees 700. In this time, if you want to take that, it is the positive sign, negative sign. Loss of rupees 700 is negative. I will take that quantity as negative. You can take this positive. If it is positive, it will be negative. Okay. Now the last part, that is E. each statement is 100 meter above the sea level. 100 meter above the 100 meter above sea level. Okay, so 100 meter above the sea level, that is 100 meter. Okay, what will be the opposite statement of that given statement? That is 100 meter below the sea level. It means if it is sea level, that is 100 meter. Okay, that is 100 meter of sea level, or below the state level. Okay, so 100 meter above the sea level, from the sea level upward, and it is downward. If it is taken, if you want to take that positive, if it is x, now that statement 100 meter above the sea level, if you take that statement x, it will be 100 meter above the below the sea level, that statement is minus x. Okay, the sign convention. With that convention of sign convention will help you later. That's why the question number 1 we have solved of exercise 6.1, the opposite statement. Okay, from that questions we have to develop our concept on positive and negative. Okay, student. So student, today's class I have solved question number 1, that is some statements were given, and we have solved one by one the fifth part, that is opposite sign. Next day I will try to solve question number 2 of exercise 6.1, and if you have any problem regarding this video or any other video, you can ask me in our e-portal, and regularly follow the YouTube class or YouTube channel of our school, Jordan Model School. I hope you will enrich your study regarding this type of video. Thank you.